Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the videos. We're at the Schaumburg Hooters for a car show today, and we're here with Jim. Jim, what did you bring with you?
I brought my 1963 Corvette convertible.
Sweet.
Here it goes. I would back up, honestly.
That was awesome. My name is Stephanie, and we're in the Hooters of Schaumburg parking lot for a car show today. And this is Frank. Frank, what kind of car are we sitting in right now?
1982 Excalibur, made by the Excalibur company in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They started manufacturing these cars in 1964, went through a couple of model changes, and I believe it was 90 or 91 when they stopped making these cars.
Well, it's a beautiful car. Tell us about the interior.
The interior, this one is a maroon leather interior. The exterior is also maroon and beige. It is a regular automatic. So it's not a stick shift and automobile.
What kind of work have you done on the inside?
Nothing to the inside. A couple of years ago, I shipped it back to Milwaukee and had the car completely repainted and restored. And then they put it all back together, and I ended up having to ship it back home.
Nice. All right, well, let's go look at the front of the car.
Okay.
And I just love the look of the spare tires on both sides of this car.
There are actual tires inside the covers. So there are two of those, and then the jack is hidden behind the back seat to lift the car up when you want to change the tires.
All right. And what kind of engine do we have in here?
This one is a 305 Chevy GM engine, similar to the Caprice Classic police cars that were manufactured in the 80s.
Let's talk about the front again.
The front has a unique feature. These bumpers are made of 56 components. Each one of these parts come apart, and you can replace one or all of the components if something gets damaged.
Yeah, you said 56, 57?
56 components.
The attention to detail is crazy on this car.
It was to replicate a 1928 Mercedes SSK.
Oh, okay.
The designer of this car was a gentleman named Brick Stevens that also designed a lot of household items and a variety of other cars. This was originally a concept car in 1964 automobile trade show in New York.
Do you want to open up the...
Sure.
I go up from Woodbury, gets me, and he goes, yeah, I remember you. I said, you just met me now. I do remember me. He goes, look familiar. I said, yeah, I got that.
The engine looks like it's pretty well packed in there, but these parts come off. This panel is just a couple of bolts, and this entire panel comes off, so you have a 360-degree view of that engine. So although it is packed in there, these pipes on this particular model are just decorative. On the 70s, these were the actual exhaust pipes.
Okay.
And then they just left these for the decorative nature, but these come off to leave access to the car.
So with that 360 view, does that mean if you need to work on the car, you can get to everything easier?
You can get to everything, you can go underneath it.
So you don't have to lift the car?
Well, you have to lift it because it is pretty low to the ground. But once you lift it up and you can fit this underneath it, then yes, you can have access and have no problem working on the engine.
Perfect, perfect. You love driving into Hooters?
Absolutely. You know, the wife and I take it out every now and then.
Do you let your wife drive?
I do let her drive. Unfortunately, she does not want to drive it.
Oh no!
She chooses not to. And
Tell us about these rims.
these are Vogue tires. They are spokes, and I can't remember the model of this particular spoke. I think it was 75 spokes, and they are actual spoke tires, not just a spoke cover for the tires.
Cool.
And how does the horn sound on this one?
They're quite loud.
Do you want to show us?
I can certainly toot those.
You want to toot the horn, or you want him to?
Ooh, I want to do it.
Okay.
In a sense, you got a new Mustang. Can she?
Absolutely.
On Grand Avenue 50 years ago. 3 generations later, we are excited to be a part of the Jewish.
There we go.
And the horns are right here.
Wait, 2?
Yeah, just
Should I do
no,
just
the
one?
one. Just the one.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Down these specials, we will show you why Howard was.
To the horns. Oh, that's embarrassing. They were tooting on the way here. Well, I apologize. We can't toot the horns.
No problem. It's probably going to scare people anyway.
This don't work.
Don't worry, he'll edit it out. Sure. All right, Frank, thanks so much for talking about your car today.
Pleasure. Thank you very
meeting
much.
you. And thanks for coming out to the Hooters Car Show. Please subscribe to our videos.
Great. Thank you.
Please, please, please subscribe. We appreciate it.
Live from US Classic Muscle Cars.